update video on the 1957 DeSoto FireSweep Explorer. Lots been happening lately. She runs and drives beautifully at the moment. We went ahead and clear coated the exterior. All the windows have been done, weather stripping. Floors are all handled. Got the glass back in. Right now we're just waiting on the carpet to come in. And we'll be on the road shortly. Certainly not going to be another wagon like this around. Gonna adjust the torsion bars and level the nose up just a little bit so it doesn't have quite as much of a dramatic rake, but otherwise this will be pretty damn near the final look. We didn't want to do a full frame-off restoration. We're working on a 57 Belvedere convertible right now, and it's just the two of us, so we really didn't have time to devote that much to a full restoration on this car, but this is just going to be a fun grocery getter, drive to the beach kind of car. All new interior, already reupholstered. Here's a look at the door panels. Just nice, simple, understated, as with the rest of the car. We did have the 341 with the dual quad just sitting on the shelf. This is a fully rebuilt engine, so we thought, why not? Certainly gonna be one of a kind. So yeah, keep an eye out. She'll be hitting the streets soon.